Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Baby Molly Pocket Friends 2025 collection from Pop Mart. Is it a scam or totally legit? Let's find out. First off, if you're a fan of cute collectibles, Baby Molly is hard to ignore. This tiny vinyl plush pendant comes in a blind box series, meaning every unboxing is a surprise. The design has that classic Pop Mart charm, soft, emotional, and seriously adorable. You can even use it as a keychain, which makes it both a collectible and a little everyday accessory. Fans are going wild over the cat themed versions and the black and yellow outfit variants. Some collectors are even trying to get every single one, saying things like, Pop Mart is going to make me broke. The hype is real and the demand is high, so much so that resellers are driving prices up. Now, nothing's perfect. A few collectors have pointed out that the whiskers on Molly sometimes look a bit cheap compared to the promo pictures. But overall, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, and it's quickly becoming a favorite among Pop Mart fans. So, is it a scam? Absolutely not. Baby Molly Pocket Friends is a legitimate collectible with real value for fans and collectors alike. Just be prepared for the hunt, and maybe a bit of a premium if you're buying from resellers. If you love cute, collectible, and high demand items, this one is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.